So today class we are going to discuss about the basic difference between the stereo center and the chiral center. First we will discuss about the chiral center. What is mean by chiral center? Chiral center usually call it as a asymmetric center. Asymmetric center, and also it used to have all four different substances. See here, if this is a chiral center, center molecule, center carbon, and it is having all four different substances. And one more thing you have to notice, and all four should be connected with a single bonds, and it should have sp3 hybridized carbon. So any molecule is said to be chiral, and that should satisfy three conditions. That is, first is the molecule must have four different substances around to it, and all should be connected through a single bond, and the center chiral carbon should be sp3 hybridized, and it should have a tetrahedral geometry like this. And usually chiral carbon represents with a star symbol just for identifying. And chiral carbon, see here, this is a chiral carbon, can be also called it as a stereo center. Chiral center also call it as a stereo center. That means all chiral centers can be considered as a stereo centers, but not vice versa. Why? Because here you notice, come to this molecule. In this case, you can notice this is the molecule where this is a carbon which is having, this is methyl, another side the different substance and chlorine, and there is a hidden hydrogen will be there. And if you notice, all four are different substances, so this can be considered as a chiral carbon. So the total stereo centers were three. What are the remaining two? These two are geometrical centers. That means the centers cannot be chiral. It is having sp2 hybridized, and it is going to produce geometrical isomers. For example, see here, I am going to choose the another molecule. See, this is our molecule where this molecule is consisting. This is I am going to draw first what is this molecule. For suppose I am going to draw this molecule structure. This is this one, and this is having a one different substance methyl, and this is hydrogen, and this is consisting A, B, C something like chlorine, methyl, or any substance, four different substances. So this is a chiral carbon. So this is chiral carbon, and come to this one. This is actually leading to the production of geometrical isomers. For example, both bulkier groups are trans to each other, then trans isomer. If both were cis to each other, cis isomer. So this is also a one center which is producing stereoisomers. So which are called stereo centers. What kind of stereo centers? That is a geometrical stereo centers, and this is optical. All three can be considered as a stereo centers, but only this one is a chiral center. That means this chiral center is a part in the stereo centers. So from this you can make a statement that all chiral centers are stereo centers, but however all stereo centers are not chiral centers. See here. So this is a chiral center, also considered as a stereo center. That means the total stereo centers are three. Among that, two are geometrical centers, one is a chiral center. So this chiral center also is stereo center, but all stereo centers are not chiral. Among that, geometrical also there, right? So that's why. So it was very clear, right? So what is chiral center and stereo center? So chiral center must be a sp3 hybridized four different substance carbon consisting. So these chiral centers usually produce optical isomers. And stereo centers, it could be a chiral center or it could be a geometrical center, right? So thank you for watching this video.